Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, it is good evening. So guys, for those who are new here, my name is Otiso, and guys, I'm coming live from the village in Kisii, Kenya, Africa. So guys, here as you can see, today I've come into our river. This is our river. I've come to do some cleaning. Our river. When you look like this, I don't feel comfortable because guys, this river, it has helped us so much, and you are knowing now, by the way, you are in the season of Christmas, so we have to do some cleanings. This river, by the way, is used by over 4,000 people. We are sharing this river in our village. Yeah? By the way, this river is very good. It has been used even if my grandmother used this river, so I liked it. By doing some cleaning, I believe that I'll be blessed with my even ancestors will bless me, guys, and also people who are using around, so no need to be paid. eh? There are some of people who can come here to do some things and then they will ask the people to pay him. So guys, let me start. Guys, no working in a public place, you can be blessed. Let me first, I will slash in like this place where this water passes. Guys, people are guys, there are some of the works you need to sacrifice yourself. A work like this, people can. Let me remove my shoes. You can see there is also some water floating here. Instead of going down there, by the way, this place needs to be very clear where which water can pass through. So guys, let me show you. Guys, I'm finding for my blessings this Christmas. I want this water to move from here. When someone comes and they tell you that you are blessed, my friend, that word is very good. These things smell a very bad way. But I will make this place, you will not believe. By the way, there was a time when I was 8 years. I remember that time when someone come here and they clean this river. He used to go around in every family to collect one egg. But nowadays people cannot do that, guys. You can see this where we come to take water from. By the way, this water we use. You can see what God has blessed us. God has blessed my people in the village with the river. that they are not maintaining. So guys, I finished the first thing. The second I wanted to. Yeah? Kanyoa buja. Yeah. Then dara karo busafi guys.
Borum dari.
Yeah?
Borum dari without bingat. Ini mana sahaja bersini ada orang bersini kuah ni. Oh cota ni apa tu? Ya manja mana kau jangan ni ya.
Berani lenja. I think guys, this place is now okay.
Eh, kau nak kau ya?
Yeah?
Kau nak kau ya asal tu? Kau kau dia lah.
Yeah?
Jangan cuma tu kita sini kau ni.
Yeah.
Kufanya mna hii itakuchapa ula kama ya sisi mzuri. Amefanya mzuri kufikia hapa nyoko sasa kuishi ndani. Ndio.
Sikawi jikali yake. Eh?
Ndio.
Mrenda. Eh? Amangu tuweka. Gaya sugenye korabi. Ara enda ngu tuweka enda. Eh?
Mama alikuwa anakuuliza kumbe huko. Anauliza nani? Wala unaenda wala. Wala mimi nataka ndo sahi. Sahi. Sasa umepanda?
Oh. Pole pole. Sorry.
Tata iko tena kama kwa kaiga.
Yeah?
Tata bano kwa kaiga.
Iga?
Sasa anatafuta kwa simu yake unamfikiria vipi?
nje.
Guys, these things have blocked this water, but don't worry, I will make this water to flow very very well. Eh? Igari? Gasa ndani leo. Guys, this work is not easy. I finished the flashing now. You can take the look, guys. Now, take a look. It is coming to be at least. So let me use now the jumper. See the changes. Is it working? Bore gansa mbwango wiko. Ayambwango. Zanga. Bweke. Okay. help me, guys. Yeah, you can share also blessings. You share water, also let us. Let me drink fast water, guys. This work is too much. Our water by this is very cold, it's very sweet. Let me continue with my work. So guys, I said it. You have seen this mother who has come here. You have heard what you have said. You have said that God can bless me. So guys, that's what I wanted.
Wanaona serious, wanakupa video. Mshari obwate bo.
Mama roho zikuona.
Mimi antanywa yengi.
Ajingali arawite guys.
Awite kainse. Ayege tasna mama. Lakini wana ngai mware ngari kwa mata na makungu. Atoko ni mistake ya kiwengi.
Wale ngereli. Wale ngiri si masina kiona kia konga. Udikuya maji asa chafu.
Korona ligineli to ai. Na tono mbwa to already awe kene heli tigangire. Aba kutiro ko tiaba ko chukoli. Tu no chukoli. Ko chabu.
Ajinje ko jamba rose.
Matoro. Corona ya kumadi. Hata na mwale ngiri. Mama shimo ndo kanisa. nzira ng'antu mukuru. Ng'atu boruto okula. Yachuchu bona akamira macha mang'aini maatari. Abuse. Ubuye bali abeire. Mwangu chenege chiko. Njanga narosi. Kumukyo. Aba murankora sabali. Murankora sabali. Ani barabina makuta babiki. Utu.
Asinale pataro, sini na asinale. Nakoro. Go depend. Asa muna mama jokoro.
Na kina ko bo ya murankora kama ndongo chana rogo chora kure. Sini. Ndoje manyobo nyobo tobu ira ko
Maidekero nganje dekero ngori asini sa.
Abara bako mambi kingo cha bana roje angwali de ni ngwali abasiri gora sirime baliye kyabuso babuse
Ranga ndi wade gutini.
karibu sasa mwenyewe
Ama kwanza kuwangere birangere. Majali ngakwanyule kaya. Tokore sawa. Wanyura ngita 10. Ujona kora gasisha lita 10 ga. Kwanza 20 liters.
kinege janga
Okay. Niko na kora kwa mai.
ko kombe buo ka bwara prani kiti cha mtu atata ndiye tenda nyo ndio wangu bwana bosi nani ndiye pia mama na kiu hiyo mama kumbe ni ndio nguvu kama siko ya mama tao wow story wow
Ana ango bara masapsa. Ai na bujunu matengeneza ya.
patikere kuchinjire yuko akana kwara ando mana kwaro kaswaru ngije kwaro ambo muinde ile yangu kichanga ngo chirwa kana ngo nanguka kana bombo atuke nanguka chaji
Aliki. Ya? Wati lagi. Asal zabe kada. Untuk punya macam mana? Kenda ono ruro kale kod nangu. Wah. Wajagi. Guys, now you can see our place is now at least. It is at least. I can't say it is very clean, but it is now at least, guys. Now water can flow. You can see this place here. This boy has helped me. So guys, thank you for watching this video, by the way. Also, I want you to give me a bless. You know what? Your bless is. You know how will you give me a bless? Is by subscribing, guys. Guys, don't just watch my videos. Also remember to subscribe. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you on the next video where I'll be doing. There's something I will be doing. I don't have to tell you. So guys, see you on the next video. So guys, now you can see the change, guys. Now you can see even the water which is flowing is very clear, even you can drink. So guys, our river is very clean now. You can see, so we are going to enjoy a Christmas. Very nice. I have washed my slasher. The water is very cold. So guys, thank you for watching this video. But please also remember to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. Thank you.